Welcome to my channel, the Knowledge Park Institute. Any confusion, one solution for classes 5 to 12 CBSE and IC Board All Subject.
Fundamental rights. 1. Right to equality. Equality before law. Article 14. Prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Article 15. Equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 16. Abolition of untouchability. Article 17. Abolition of titles. Article 18. 2. Right to freedom. Freedom of speech and expression. Article 19. Freedom to assemble peacefully and without arms. Article 19. Freedom to form associations or unions. Article 19. Freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India. Article 19. Freedom to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India. Article 19. Freedom to practice any profession, or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. Article 19. Protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article 20. Protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21. 3. Right against exploitation. Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Article 23. Prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. Article 24. 4. Right to freedom of religion, freedom of conscience and free profession, practice, and propagation of religion. Article 25. Freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 26. Freedom from payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion. Article 27. Freedom from attending religious instruction or worship in certain educational institutions. Article 28. 5. Cultural and educational rights. Right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. Article 29. Protection of interests of minorities. Article 30. 6. Right to constitutional remedies. Right to move the Supreme Court for the enforcement of fundamental rights. Article 32.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.